Welcome to this video dedicated to managing your appointments with the agenda in HIP. You will discover how this tool simplifies daily organization while offering features tailored to your medical needs. The data, patients, and doctors presented in this video are entirely fictional. They are only intended to illustrate the features of HIP. After logging in, go to the Agenda tab. To create a new appointment, click the plus button or double-click directly on the desired time slot. Let's take the example of a patient suffering from lower back pain who comes for a first consultation. Choose the patient. You can select an already registered patient or create a new patient directly from the agenda. You can then customize the title, specify the date, time, team members, or the necessary resources, etc. You have the option to repeat the appointment, for example, on a weekly or customized basis. It is also possible to enable SMS reminders if configured in your practice settings. You have the option to duplicate the appointment or print it if needed. Before printing, you can add a note if necessary. The status can be updated at each step. An appointment can be modified or moved at any time either by editing it or by dragging it to another time slot. It is also possible to delete it. From the agenda, you can also link an appointment to an episode of care. In our example, we will create a new one. The available fields can be completed or adjusted: title, date, law, questionnaire, refer, addition of documents, etc. Once validated, the preparatory questionnaire automatically appears in the medical tab of the patient file. In the same way, it is possible to attach the appointment to a billing session. Here, we need to create a new bill, which you can adapt according to your needs. For more details on billing, we invite you to consult the dedicated videos. Now, let's imagine that the patient returns for a follow-up consultation. You then create a new appointment. This time we can associate it with the existing episode of care, since the medical issue is the same. If the reason had been different, a new one would have needed to be created. We see here that the consultation is well linked to the treatment in the patient file. The same goes for billing. Either link the session to an ongoing invoice or generate a new bill. Here, both consultations will be billed in the same bill. To learn more about setting up care episodes, as well as the difference between an encounter and an episode of care, we invite you to watch video number 5. For more details, you can also check our online help. The link is in the description. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you and will assist you in using the calendar features in HIP. Thank you for your attention, and see you soon in the next video.